slide into other things from there, and then
And then it can be like, and with worrying about all this education and saving up in college, which is just around the corner, how would we have money?
yeah. And how are my parents supposed to pay this when?
Say like we're gonna show a clip and like, or not even from the debate, but just show a clip from something they said, and then we'll be like the lower class people, and we'll say like how that affects us. And then
You made on your investments personally about $20 million last year, and you paid 14% in federal taxes. That's the capital gains rate. Is that fair to the guy who makes $50,000 and paid a higher rate than you did?
Yeah, I think it's the right way to encourage economic growth.
the millionaires and billionaires, just like Mitt Romney, make as much as an average middle-class American makes in a year in 1 week. Paying 14% of taxes for the millionaires and billionaires isn't going to affect them as much as 14% would for middle-class Americans. Romney's plan is to cut taxes for millionaires like himself and raise them on anyone who doesn't make $250,000 annually. That's 98% of the U.S.
With this plan in effect, the rich will become richer and the poor will become poorer. This won't help America. This will hurt the ones who are already hurting. If Romney becomes president, this will be hard on the people of the U.S. who are teaching, helping, and fighting for America. Romney supports Paul Ryan's plan to cut education funding by 20%. That's not how America should be. Obama is going to make sure that kids go to school prepared with basic knowledge.
Obama believes teachers aren't being paid enough for building our kids' education and helping them succeed in life. If you want to make sure that your kids get an education they need to succeed in life, vote for President Obama.
I'm Barack Obama, and I approve this message.
This is the first time where I really had them do that sort of in-depth analysis of prior commercials. We would watch them before, but we didn't get into the whole, looking at the close reading and the sourcing and that sort of thing. So I'm really curious to see how that plays out. And then maybe based on the results that I get, I'll see from there if there's anything that I want to tweak in the future.